In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on Webflow. By the end, you'll have Tag Manager added to your site so you can manage analytics, pixels, and marketing tags without constantly editing your site's code. Start by opening your Webflow dashboard and selecting the project you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you've selected the right one, open the project's settings. This is where Webflow lets you control things like domains, SEO, integrations, and the custom code we'll add in a moment. Inside settings, head to the custom code tab. This page provides two fields, one for code that goes in the head of your site, and one for code that loads in the footer, just before the closing body tag. Keep this tab open, we'll come right back to it. Now go to Google Tag Manager in a separate browser tab. If you don't have an account yet, create one and set up a new container for your website, making sure to choose web as the target platform. After the container is created, Tag Manager will show you two code snippets, a script that belongs in the head and a no script snippet that's intended to be placed as close to the opening body tag as possible. Webflow doesn't give direct access to the body tag, so we'll use the footer field for the no script portion. Copy both snippets and keep them handy. Return to Webflow's custom code tab and open the footer code field. Paste the no script snippet here. Don't modify it, just paste it exactly as provided so Tag Manager can deliver tags even when JavaScript is limited. Next, open the head code field and paste the Tag Manager script snippet at the top. This ensures the container initializes as early as possible, which helps your tags load reliably. When both snippets are in place, click Publish. Choose the domain or staging subdomain you want to update, then confirm. Publishing applies your custom code to the live site, so give it a moment to propagate. That's it. Your installation is complete. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Double check that you didn't paste the snippets into the wrong fields. Avoid adding extra characters or comments around the code. And remember that any tag logic is managed inside Google Tag Manager going forward. If you work with consent banners or regional privacy rules, set up the appropriate triggers and consent settings in Tag Manager before deploying new tags. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your Webflow site.